to see if that would show up, did it?
No, it's too dark. I don't see it on. I think it's too dark because this doesn't have a night shot. A little bit. That was not a ghost, that was Megan.
Definitely make sure the camera works.
Yep.
You wanna try it?
No, I'm actually allergic to smoke. Sorry.
Well, come on, just try it.
I'm actually allergic. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sorry.
You're fine.
Alright. I told you I was allergic to weird things. Alright, this is Jen and Megan. We're hanging out. I've got my camcorder rolling, so why don't you come out and show us what you look like. We've seen you a few times before.
Over here and over on the other side of the bridge in very creepy areas.
Yeah, very creepy.
Motorcycle.
Yep.
Ow. It's out.
Or as I do on Whose Line. You know, ring, 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 ring. That one was on last night. I couldn't help it.
On my computer I have a Firefox window up.
Yeah.
And I have, whose line is it anyway? Scene from a Hat.
Oh.
And it's like number like 70 right now.
Yeah.
So there's just a bunch of them, and I'm like going through all of them.
Nice. I'm gonna walk through here a little more. Well, we're kind of waiting for you. Would you like to show us what you look like? I know. Do you like getting your pictures taken?
Can you tell us who the old woman is that's here? You've seen her. I've heard her.
Can you tell us your names? Where you lived?
Can you tell us your ages? Can you tell us how many there are of you here?
Do you remember where you went to school? What grade you were in?
Can you tell us what year it is right now? Can you tell us the year that you were born? Would you tell us any details of how you died and why?
I'm gonna take pictures.